buying your mother flowers and they end up looking like this? Well, my mom came up with the most brilliant solution, and she came up with a flower pot that lasts forever. So today we are going to DIY a little bit, and we are going to find out how to make this beautiful flower pot for our moms for Mother's Day. Hi, welcome to Educator Youth. My name is Aja, and this is my Mother Angela. And each week on here, I give tips, tricks, and strategies on parenthood, family fun, and ways to educate your child. If you're interested in any of those things, then join our community by subscribing below. And don't forget to click those bell notifications, because that's the only way that you will be updated when we upload a new video. And please don't forget to support this channel by liking this video. So today we are going to do a little DIY crafting, and we are going to learn just how to create this beautiful, everlasting flower pot. It's the perfect gift for Mother's Day.
Hi, what I'll do at this time is just show you some of the material that you need. We'll start off with any type of flower, any colors, any shapes that you think you might like. Scissors, you'll of course need scissors. You might get a beautiful picture of a grandchild or a child from the dollar store or Walmart or so. That the actual sticks that you'll put your flowers on. And of course you'll need glue so that you can glue the flowers to the skewers. Any type of can. This just happens to be a baby formula can. Now what you'll do to actually get the sticks to stick in the can, you would actually just need some of the foam. You would just cut the foam. Tissue, I always need tissue paper to put in there. Ribbon, because you'll want to make a bow. And of course, the dots to put in your flowers. You can get some bling. Some of us like bling, so you would get some of the bling to put in the middle of your flower. So, let's go. So step one to make your flowers. Some of us have a Cricut machine, but some of us do not. So you can make some of the flowers on the Cricut machine, or you can just draw some by hand. So when you get through cutting out your flowers, you'll have all different sizes and colors for your flowers. So you'll put that to the side. And then you might have either a picture or something that says mom or grandma or so. And you'll just start cutting those out. Now, first of all, you would glue the mom down or the grandma, and you would just glue it down on the paper and then cut it out also. Now, when you get through cutting that out, you would actually just glue it. And I put a lot of glue just going down the center, and then you put the skewer right down the center of the glue and just put it on a piece of paper like that. I let this one dry while I'll get the actual picture. At this time, we're going to actually see how to make one of our beautiful little flowers here. Start off with the bigger flower on the back that we're wanting, which would be this yellow one here. In the place of the purple, we'll use this yellow. Glue the yellow to the blue here. You see where the pink one is? That's where we're going to have our purple. I'm going to show you how to get a pair of scissors. You put it there and you just go like that. And then go like that. And then you can have any type of embellishment that you want it in the middle, and you just put that right in the middle there. Now, of course, we did state that you can do the embellishments, because as you see, this one right here has the embellishment in the middle. Now, if you don't have the embellishments with your hole punch, you can just make a dot there and put your little circle in there. But once you have your flower actually made, we'll use the yellow to be where the pink is. And then we'll get the skewer stick. You would get like 2 or 3 of these done before you actually start cutting. That way they'll all be nice and dry when you cut the background out. You can use pattern paper like I did on that one there. Now that we'll think the one with my cute little grandbaby is all done and dry, I'll cut her completely out. So our next step would be to actually cover the can with any type of paper that you have. So after you have covered you can get ready to cut the foam. And then I glue gunned it into the bottom of the can. And once you've glue gunned the foam, just keep your hands on there and press it down. Then you will get any type of wired ribbon. It says wire edge ribbon. Put the ribbon on your hand and then cut the ribbon. I had a mom that was a florist and she would cut ribbon and she would always say, always cut your ribbon at a diagonal. And then mom would say, fray your edges. Now, if you don't know what that means just get a regular lighter and just go through the edges. I have a box that I've done nothing but decorated. So I have a foam at the top of the box and the foam is glued to the bottom of the box. So as I make my flowers, I just stick them in here to keep them in here. Now, if you like that design, feel free, that can be your gift. We're gonna actually take them off of here. You hear it going down into the foam. But in order to get this the size you want, I just tear it. It's that easy. In order to fill up the empty spaces, tissue. Any mom, any grandma, an aunt, even a sister would love to get a Mother's Day gift.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed finding out how you can make your very own flower bouquet for Mother's Day. This type of bouquet lasts forever. Well, if you're not a member of our community already, please join us by subscribing below. And don't forget to click those bell notifications so you can get updated when I upload a new video. If you're looking for more crafts that you could do for your mother, then watch this video on how you can create your own DIY tote bag for Mother's Day. And don't forget, if you're trying to spice up your Mother's Day with some cool old games, then check out our Mother's Day game video. See you later!
Bye.